Hey guys, where are my avocado lovers? I'm an avocado lover too, and Diet Doctor even has an avocado lover meal plan, weekly meal plan. But sometimes when it comes to avocado, it feels like unrequited love. Buying avocado can really be kind of a test of your optimism. I know that I'll go into the store and I'll look at all the avocados, try to select the perfect one, and then I get home, I have really good intentions, and it may go from something like this gorgeous green to this wrinkly black rotted avocado before I get around to it. Avocado isn't very forgiving, and so you have to either pick them for days ahead or eat them right away, or sometimes it feels like you're doing both. So how do you select the perfect avocado? Well, this one's pretty green, but one of the things that I do is I visually look at it, and of course I want a darker, usually the darker ones are more ripe, but then you don't want them too ripe. So how do you tell? You don't want to press on them like making divots, but if you give them just a gentle hug, you can generally tell if they're ripe. So this one, I'm giving it that little hand hug, it doesn't yield at all. It gets completely green. So this guy, maybe 2-3 days is going to be perfect. So let's see, this one obviously is wrinkled and soft. I don't even want to hug him because he's able to squish. Definitely overripe. This is dark and it's a little, like yielding a little to pressure. The color looks good. I'm looking at the end of it. This one actually may be ripe. Let me put him here. I'm gonna test just a few more. This one's kind of soft too. One of the reasons that avocado is such a fantastic option for low carb or keto is because when you're getting an avocado about this size, this is probably 200 grams, about 2 ounces, it's going to only have like 5 net carbs, maybe 4 net carbs, I'm trying to remember, but it's gonna have like 17 grams of fat, which is fantastic. All right, let's try these two. So this is how I cut my avocado, just straight in. And yeah, you can tell from the cut, this one's probably ready to eat. I've just circled my knife all the way around, and then I'm gonna twist. And perfect. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that color. Now, let's say that I'm not gonna eat an entire avocado and I just want that half. How do you store them? Because the other thing that happens is you eat half, when you go back for your other half, it's gone. It's brown and mushy and gross. Well, the best way I found to store them is to leave the pit in the avocado, slip it into a bag for the fridge, because you want to press as much air out as you can. Now you can even take a bit of avocado oil or olive oil and run around them, because what makes it turn brown and mushy is the air, when the air gets to it. So when you want to get the best part out of the avocado, I make kind of gentle strokes in with my knife and just take my spoon and scoop it out. Now, I love avocado, and one of my favorite ways to eat it is to make some guacamole. We have a recipe on Diet Doctor, but essentially it's some fresh cilantro, lime juice, garlic, chopped tomatoes, some olive oil, salt and pepper, and I like to add a little bit of jalapeno for heat. So that's guacamole. Another favorite way is to eat eggs Benedict over avocado. It's delicious. All that fat with the egg and the hollandaise sauce makes it incredibly filling. Now, let's say I'm going back to get the rest of my avocado another day, or I just decide I'm going to make guacamole because it sounds so good. I talked myself into it. I generally take my knife, put it right down in the pit, give it a little bit of a twist. It comes right out, and I can do the same thing. Cut into the avocado like I did before, and you do have to be careful, you'll cut through, and then you can slide your spoon in and get all of the goodness out. And that's it. If you haven't fallen in love with avocados yet, check out our Avocado Lovers meal plan. They are delicious at 4 net carbs for a lot of avocado and a great source of fat and potassium.